Hello everyone, welcome to another video from TutorialsInHand, and in this video we are going to discuss how we can make a splash screen loading animation in Figma. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, we have to create an ellipse. So we will create one. This ellipse should be pretty small, maybe around 50 width and 50 height. So we have made one, and we have to put up a fill. So we will put up a linear gradient. Just remember, for color purpose, the topmost fill has to be a bit dark and the bottom fill can be of a light color. So as you can see, I have made the ellipse. Looks good. Now we have to click on that ellipse and create a component out of it. Now we will do our animation on iPhone 14 screen. So we have to create iPhone 14 frames. So we will do the same thing, iPhone 14, and we have to make 5 frames out of it. So I have created the 5 frames. Now we have to create the animation states. So what we will do, firstly we will bring our local component to each of our frames. Let's bring one by one. And here we do for the last one. Yes. Now once our component is in each of these frames, we have to create the transition states. So first, in the first frame, we will drag the local component to the top. Okay. For the second frame, it will be like it is. For the third frame, we will be increase the size of this ellipse. Okay. For the fourth, we will increase the size of this ellipse far more. Maybe a bit bigger. Yes. And for the last one, we will increase it so much that it should cover the entire iPhone 14 screen. So let's do it. I hope you are having fun watching this. You can try it also. I will highly suggest. So yeah, we have made it. Now what we have to do, once we have made the transition states, we have to provide animations. So for animation, we will go to prototype. Now from the first one to the second frame, we will do it an after delay of 800 milliseconds, smart animate bouncy 300 milliseconds. From the second frame to the third frame, after delay, and we will here slightly reduce the delay time. We will make it 500 milliseconds. From the third to the fourth, we will make after delay again of 500 milliseconds. From the fourth to the fifth, we will again do it in a delay of 500 milliseconds. So yes, our transition states are done. So let's run and see if it's working properly. So fingers crossed. Let's check out. So our emulator has started. Let's see. So yeah, it is exactly what it is. If you found it like a bit tough, I am again reiterating the animation. So this is what this splash screen animation looks like. So I hope you like this video. In case you like this video, please feel free to hit the subscribe button and also like this video. Don't forget it. So stay tuned with us. Bye.